How you doing? Yeah, we got charge build up, bunch of crunch, tornadic activity, single sun system. My ass. Where the hell's the opposite polarity coming from? Oh yeah, these things. Big old freaking magnetospheres behind us. Going out at night. Check out your sky. Tell me where the dark spots are that don't have stars. That would be them. Pretty big. Been sneaking up on us for a while, getting bigger and bigger. Got a 7, got a 6, got a bunch of 5s, bunch of fucking shit ton of 4s. Anyway, surprised. Ain't seen nothing yet. Fires. Get them started. Notice something. Yeah, it's burning through the night now. Cuba's on fire. Jungles are on fire still. South Asia, India. It's our UVI. Where's that at? Coming back around. Back around. No one's talking about these things. About these clockwise swirls in the northern hemisphere. You know, there's another big one. Yeah, that's your ionosphere. That's your whatever you call it. Pretty exciting. Rolling down clockwise swirls all over the fucking planet. Big, massive fucking weather systems, adding strength to the counterclockwise swirls in the northern hemisphere. Southern hemisphere getting a little bit of swirl on. Flame on. Australia's lit up. Wasn't yesterday. It is. America. Quite a few wildfires going on too. Third of the trees and all the homes, folks. Now, some of you have been on this page before I was making videos, and if you have been, well, good for you. You're probably ready for this. If you haven't, well, since 2014, I stepped down as Senator Jim Davis's investigator, top investigator in North Carolina. I had the influence of senators to the point that I legalized CBD. Davis hemp bill was my work, amongst several. Um, I stepped down when I found out a plot that's going to thin out our population by about 70%. That included the Market East and World War III, Civil War. I've laid down exactly what would happen as soon as Russia walks into Ukraine. Russia and China are going to make friends, launch on us, and North Korea will also launch in tandem. This was decided on a long time ago. Long time ago. Long time ago. I have time stamped everything, and I've been right unanimous. Some of you might have run into me over here. Got to see these videos. This is my video page, oldest first. Oldest first, folks. Start at number 1. By number 3, you'll know why your moon is doing cartwheels. Yes, doing cartwheels. It rise, it will look like this, and then it will roll 180 degrees. Tycho crater in the shadow, set like that. Every night now. Horizon to a horizon. Not daily, not every other day, every day. Every night. Doing a cartwheel. Shouldn't be. Homebrews channel. Time stamped. The moon is doing a cartwheel every day. It's not just the moon. The sun is also doing cartwheels. So is Jupiter. Homebrewed. He's on my front page, on my main page. Right there. And catfish. Got my catfish corner over here where I'm laying this down. There's an awful lot of videos if you don't know what's going on. Don't worry. You got time. I'd get on it though. Time's pretty short. Start at the oldest first, folks. No donate button on here, so don't waste your time looking. I give you information because this is your information to have. I don't want your donates. I don't want your accolades. I don't want your thanks. Give that to Creator. This is Creator's information. Without this information, you will surely die. Am I being a doom and gloomy? Dude, I'm being real. This is physics, folks. You have a magnet in your chest. It is a medical fact. You have a magnet in your chest, just like Earth has a magnet in her chest. Creator made this one first creation. Mhm. You got to be meek, first creation and Creator, and you'll inherit the Earth's strength. Magnets inherit each other's strength. As more magnets are stacked together, the strength will increase until the length of the stack is equal to the diameter. Yes, adding magnets adds strength. If I have a 1 Gauss, you have a 1 Gauss, Earth has 10. We both ground, we're now all 3, 8, 12. There is no weak link in a magnet chain. These are all known physics, simple magnet physics, instantaneous at a distance. Funny, every atom in the center has a muon, a strong magnetic field, a magnet. 1748 hertz is the electromagnetic frequency of the field permeating every atom in the electromagnetic spectrum. This is all known physics. I told you in '08, China and Russia will combine strength and launch on us over Ukraine in the South China Sea. People, this shit wasn't guesswork. I was told this by the sitting senator. I reported the moon wobble and our Earth tilt and that damn polar vortex too. They knew we were on our side and the moon was rolling and they were on a clock. The clock's ticking. It's really close to the end game. I suggest laying down some weapons. They got some big ones. It's your sons and daughters that are pushing the buttons. Your moms, your dads, your uncles. We're doing this to ourselves for very few people. Crown Vatican DC Corporation, incorporated 1871. Red and Blue Division will be the death of you. I believe that's a good one to watch. And Inoculize Exposed, that's another one. Uh-oh. North Korea. Yeah, I said they'll launch with Russia and China. Watch. They will. I ain't gonna bet you. Ain't hardly any of you gonna be around to fucking collect anyways. If you don't understand your position in creation. We're three sons. Kids, not acid rain. One son sings a tune, three sons sing a chord. We're gonna have ourselves a Nova event with a chord struck. They call it the voice of God, the reset. Anything not in that frequency is going to be eliminated from creation in the blink of an eye. People come ask me, where's the safest place? Safest place is in that magnet in the chest. Inherit the earth. Be a steward. Boy, more fun here. They just released a bunch of papers on that a couple days ago. All I'm seeing is, oh my God, how that happened. Still pushing. You know, you do what you will medically. I'm going to tell you, you're out of food. It is not Russian hackers hacking the grain supply. These people know we're out of food. Other people are hoarding what's left. Hope y'all been paying attention. A month ago or so, we really started monitoring this pretty close. Decided it was going to spread out and make these winds worse, the weather worse. The closer they got, that's what we're looking at every day. I laid out exactly what to do in this time. I hope you've been paying attention.